Good morning, YouTubers. Guess what? It's the giveaway finale day. That's right. Today is the day we find out who won. Okay. For those of you who are tuning in and have no idea what we're talking about, a few days ago, I made this cute yarn dispenser, and I had so much fun making it that I decided to make a couple more in the nautical and in the lime green, and I told you guys I was going to give these away. Well, I'm keeping my word. So you had to follow the instructions on the video in order to enter. So now, I found out that some of you don't watch my videos all the way to the end. Not a good thing. Because in this case, if you watched it all the way to the end, you would have saw this. So, for those of you that saw it, you knew what to do. You had to put the $291 somewhere in your comment. And what that did is it doubled it. So, for instance, if you put your name in there 5 times, your 5 would become 10. And for every time you did that. So, that's what the $291 would do for you. But then some of you were like, what in the world is $291? Well, at the time that that video was made, that was video number 291. I had 291 videos. So, that was kind of cool. Kind of a little sentimental thing. But anyway, let's get on to the contest winners. Okay, so here's my little old school lunchbox that I have all the entries in there. And some of you are like, wait a minute. I put my name in there way more times than it should be in there. And you're exactly right. Because there were 4 people who put their name in there so many times. I decided to put theirs in an envelope because they were just going to be automatic winners. They just had so many entries. But we still want to know who actually won, right? Okay, so let's back this up. We had one person that put their name in there 277 times. Woo! They were on the ball. It was so fun watching this. But anyway, that person and the winner of the overall winner of the contest is Vernisha Murphy. Go, girl. Because you were putting your name in there so many times. It was like bam, 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 bam. Every time I opened up my comments, I saw your name. Kudos to you because you're the winner. Okay. But Vernisha had some competition because there was a person right behind her that put her name in there a whole bunch of times also. She actually had a total of 131 times. So the second winner is Yolanda Chevalier Reed. Yay, Yolanda! You finally figured out that 291 after a few days. But at least you did figure it out and you went back and found out what it was. Kudos to you. Now, that takes care of 2, right? Well, because I really, really wanted more people to win because there was so many people involved in this, I decided to go back and I made a really pretty floral fuchsia one. I made a nautical one with a nice little boat on it. Isn't that kind of cute? I did a lime green squiggly one. And I did a beach scene with a lot of seashells and a couple of fish. So we're going to give all of these away. So now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose the third person who had the most entries. And they had a total of 39. As you can see, there's quite a few entries of 39. And number 39, or the third little dispenser. Oh, forgetting what I'm talking about. The third one goes to Apple Pecan Souls. Yay, Apple Pecan. She was on the money too. So, kudos to you for winning. And then the fourth person that had the most amount of names is, and they had a bunch, they had 32. That's quite a bit. But that goes to old Janet Reynolds. Yay, Janet. By the way, you guys, Janet put most of her entries in while she was sitting in the hospital room with her daughter, Amber. So please keep Amber in your prayers and keep Janet in your prayers because she's going through a lot. So I am so happy that Janet won. She really put some energy in it and it paid off for you, Janet. Kudos to you, and tell Amber I said hi. Okay, so that's our 4. And I think what I'm going to do, that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves me 2 more. Maybe 3 more. Let's do 3 more. Okay. So here's our box. Open it up. See all my entries there? All right, so I'm going to close the box. Check them up real good. Okay. All right, so got it shaken. Now I'm going to open up the box. And you see they're all over the place. So, okay. So here we go. And our first winner is Amber Arthur. Go Amber. You're going to get one too. All righty. All right, let's do this again. Now, Amber, your name was in there multiple times. So if I pull your name again, you can't win again. So here we go. Let's see who do we have this time. Rose Coleman Watson. Yay, Rose. Good for you. Good for you. Okay, let's see. So I have 2 more, right? All right, so Rose, you put your name in there a couple times too. So if I pull your name, make sure none fell out. You can't win again either. So, all right, so here we go. Tanya Alexander. Yay, Tanya. Good for you, girl. Okay, and last but not least, our final one. Okay, let's see who this is. Rose Coleman Watson. She can't win again, so we get to choose another name. Let's see if I'm going to keep pulling Amber's name and Rose, because both of them had several entries. All right, here we go. Let's see. See? Anna. Can't win again. They had a bunch in there. Okay, so you guys bear with me because your name could be next. Every time I pull out a name that's not eligible to win, that means there's somebody else's name that is. Okay. See? That's what you do. You keep putting your name in there and it better your chances to win. So I hope you guys are taking notice of this. Just one time won't always do it. And Anna Arthur is proof of that. That girl, she was on the ball. She didn't have a bunch to put in the automatic win, but her name got in here multiple times. So let's see who we got here. Whoops, we got 2. So let me put that one back. And let's open this one. Tanya Alexander. Okay. All righty, girls. Okay, you had a good chance to win, girls. All right, let's see. Let's pick another name. All right, here's one. Finally, a name that's not Anna or Rose. And this is, I'm sorry, I'm probably going to murder your name, but it's Amoye Oduhai. I'm sorry. I know I didn't say that right. But anyway, so that's the end of the contest. And so the winners are Vernisha Murphy, Yolanda Chevalier Reed, Apple Pecan Sews, Janet Reynolds, Anna Arthur, Rose Coleman Watson, Tanya Alexander, and Amoye, I'm sorry, I can't say your last name, Udu Ihad, Amoye. So, if you were one of the winners, you need to send me a private message on Facebook to give me your address so I'll know where to mail your yarn dispenser. This was fun, guys. I can't wait for the next contest. So keep watching because you never know when I'm going to give something away. You know, I like that scripture at Acts 20:35 where it says, there's more happiness in giving than in receiving. So I hope you guys follow that as well. So I hope that this has been fun and I hope you enter the next contest. You guys have a great Monday. Happy sewing. Happy crocheting. Bye now.